Exams! Just the word can make people's heart race. But why do we feel this anxiety?
Some stress is normal. In fact, it is even helpful. But when it goes overboard, it can mess with your performance, sleep, and mental health.
In today's video, we'll break down exam-related anxiety, when it helps, when it harms, and most importantly, how to manage it effectively.
We will also bring in psychological concepts, some ancient wisdom from Bhagavad Gita, and real-life strategies to help you cope with the exams.
Not all stress is bad. We have two types of stress, eustress and distress. Eustress is the good kind. It keeps you alert and helps you perform better. Distress is the bad kind. It makes you freeze, panic, or even blank out during an exam.
Short-term stress improves memory and focus, but chronic stress can lead to anxiety, sleep problems, and even depression.
So, the goal is to manage stress, not eliminate it completely.
The Stress-Diathesis model explains why some people experience anxiety more intensely than others. It depends on two things. Stressors includes exams, parental pressure, competition. But how we handle it depends on diathesis, that is our coping skills, personality and past experiences.
That's why two students facing the same exam might react differently. One stays calm, another has a panic attack. Competition is tougher than ever. Cutoffs are high, job markets are uncertain. No wonder students feel this immense pressure.
But do you know what Bhagavad Gita says? Karmanye vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. You have the right to perform your duty, but not to the results. This means focus on your efforts and not just the results. Anxiety often comes from worrying about the outcomes, not the process.
When we stop over-identifying with results and instead focus on the learning process, stress automatically reduces. Cognitive distortions are faulty thinking patterns that make anxiety worse. For example, all or nothing thinking. If I don't get 95%, I'm a failure. Catastrophizing. If I fail this test, my whole future is ruined. Mind reading. Everyone will think I'm dumb if I don't top the class. Labeling. I'm just bad at math, I'll never improve.
Recognizing these patterns and replacing with rational thoughts can help manage the stress effectively.
Let's discuss the strategies to handle exam stress. 1. Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. 2. Mindfulness and deep breathing. Helps calm the mind. 3. Exercise and sleep enhances concentration and memory.
Progressive muscle relaxation. Tensing and relaxing the muscles to reduce the anxiety. Avoid last-minute cramming. Sleep deprivation can worsen anxiety. Third, use affirmation. I am prepared. I can handle this.
Exams are just one part of life. Learning to manage stress now will help you in the long run.
And remember, focus on the efforts, not just the results. You are more than just your marks.
If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe for more mental health tips.